Hello, guys. The Coin here. Today, I really have some news regarding cryptocurrency, and which I believe will be very bad for cryptocurrency itself. This article came out today, at least in this article from Bitcoin.com, which is an exchange and also a news site or whatever. And the news are that Tether freezes millions of dollars in USDT and 40 addresses amid regulatory pressure. So stablecoin issued Tether has blacklisted 40 Ethereum addresses holding millions of dollars of Tether cryptocurrency, 24 of which were banned this year. This findings follows the Center Consortium taking a similar action due to a request by a law enforcement. Yeah, guys. Unfortunately, this is not good news at all for the cryptocurrency space. It's not good for Bitcoin, for altcoins. It's not good for for nobody because once again, there has been a lawsuit against Tether. I believe it started today for the court cases to to start to unravel, and unfortunately, this is a big issue for cryptocurrency. Because basically all the volume that has been coming about is because of Tether. Bitcoin's volume is coming because of Tether, not fiat currencies like the US dollar, the euro, or whatever. USDT is still the main stable coin. Yeah, there will be a lot of problems here because we still have to realize that major cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, BitMEX, what is else more, Poloniex, and Huobi, which are mainly the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges and derivatives exchanges, they're all having lawsuits, and although in their cases it's basically more about regulation, it has bigger repercussions, because all of these exchanges, they are part of the Tether cartel, right? Tether was developed by a guy which I can't remember the name of him right now, but basically it was a guy that developed Tether, that put it out to the market. When it first came out, it didn't call itself Tether. It called itself USDT Tether, and the thing that's about Tether, is that all of these exchanges that I'm talking about, if they get charged and if they get to be pleaded guilty by the SEC, the regulatory issuer in the United States, these companies will be sued for money laundering. And guess what? USDT is all part of it because all of these people, all of the CEOs in all of these exchanges, maybe not BitMEX, in regards of Tether, of using Tether, all of these exchanges, have big positions in Tether and have been may be charged for money laundering. And once again, man, even Binance is in trouble because of the regulatory stuff here. Not just because of the Tether stuff and the money laundering, but I predict this will not be very good for Bitcoin itself, and maybe we are already starting to see the writing on the wall here because Bitcoin is actually dumping compared to the stock market, which actually started to gain a little bit today. So let us take a look what Bitcoin and the rest of the market is doing. So the Dow Jones is coming off from the highs, and basically Bitcoin has been showing weakness these last 2-3 days because it's not keeping up with the stock market anymore. Like we can see here, we're at 91.77. I believe that we already started to break here a very important um, support here. And yeah, with this case actually starting to roll out, it's not looking good for cryptocurrency itself, because once again, if these exchanges are charged, it's basically game over for the cryptocurrency market, because we have to understand almost everybody uses Tether as the main stablecoin. I know there are others, and others will emerge because of all of what is happening with USDT. USDT is the biggest stablecoin, cryptocurrency stablecoin out there, and this will affect every market out there, because whales and stuff, and people that are holding a lot of coins and stuff like that, they will leave the space, because what the hell, they don't want to be liable, for having stolen or Tether coin that is blacklisted, because eventually they will find out who are the people holding it, like we saw in the article. So once again, guys, this is not good news. Besides of the economic struggles and difficulties that we already facing in the real world, and now with all of this, besides of the bearish convulsion that is actually coming about in the markets itself, this will be very bad news. And unfortunately, I've been waiting for this for a while, because I've known about this for a while. So now, if the lawsuits are starting to begin, and people are starting to get here, this will unravel very fast. And unfortunately, I don't see anyone in the crypto space to be a winner, man. Just not even talking about the crash that is coming because of economic reasons. Just another reason for people not to be bullish and start to sell their stuff, man. I've been talking about this for weeks, but the storm is coming, man. And although the markets are actually looking good, especially the Dow Jones, for whatever reason, because once again it looks like it was the stock market recovered again. So yesterday it happened, and today again, because of some pharmaceutical companies developing a COVID-19 vaccine. Well, I still don't get it, man, because once again, I saw some reports of some companies, today that there is a company in the UK, basically luxury goods. They're down 45% in sales, right? 45% in sales. If this continues, and I believe this will continue, man, they can pack up and close store, because there will be no money left. It looks like the UK is reopening their economies step by step. But if things start to go south, like it's already starting to happen in the United States, in the case of California, that closed that shut down businesses basically 2 days ago. This is not looking very bright, and with all the financial problems that this fake pandemic has been causing, and now with this lawsuit pending in the crypto space, it's going to be catastrophic, in my opinion. Once again, people need to get the fuck out. People need to be in US dollars or any kinds of tokens that aren't related to these exchanges that I talked about before, because once again, this is going to be very bad, guys. Once again, I have been talking about it. I have been putting information about all the stuff that is actually going on. And for the people that are still bullish on the stock markets and the cryptocurrency, man, well, I know many of the guys right now are making a lot of money because of the altcoin markets. The altcoin market has been booming, but it won't last, guys. And if you don't get the fuck out of the market right now, your gains are completely worthless. And yeah, unfortunately, many people are still blinded and believe that a bull run is coming and whatever. Come on, guys. Look, all the negative news is out there. I don't know what you need more, unless you want to get burned, like many people will get burned. Just take a look at the stock market. the dumb money is continuing to get in. So although the markets it's continuing to make new highs here. I mean, the stock market itself, the dumb money is buying what the whales and what the big players are actually dumping, because basically all of the quarterly results and the earnings that have been coming out have been completely devastating. But the market is not caring about this for now. But it will come a place where they have to get out of la la land and face the music, and when that happens, there's just one way to go, and that is down. I know that still many people are longing this, and a lot of money. Like I said, a lot of people are making a lot of money right now, but if they continue to stay in the market, they will lose it. They will lose it all. So once again, these are the news that I have to share. Once again, like I said, guys, there was absolutely nothing positive, and now with all this coming about in the cryptocurrency market, it's just look. I don't know what to tell you, man. If you're still into the market, well, whatever, guys. You have to face the music later when this house of cards in the stock market and the cryptocurrency market starts to unveil. Well, then I went through this in 2017, 2018. I saw the highs, I saw the all-time highs, I saw the massive gains, but I failed to sell at the top or near the top. That was my unwinding. And I'm seeing the writing on the wall. This time it's a lot worse. We didn't have these economic circumstances in 2017 and 2018, but now I can't see myself holding any kind of cryptocurrency. That's why I sold everything, man. I'm not into the market. I make maybe a couple of trades here and there, but I'm done, man. I'm not coming back into the market until I see some lows here and new lows, and I don't believe that that the lows will be as high as many people actually expect, because I kind of see like an apocalyptic scenario for the stock market and cryptocurrency itself. Just if the economic problems were already bad enough, this, especially for the cryptocurrency market, this is going to spell doom. This, like I said, this is the Armageddon or apocalypse in the cryptocurrency space. Because what people have to understand is that many of these projects, many of the coins out there, they will be completely vanish from the space. They will just vanish, man, because most of 99% of the coins or the tokens that are out there, they're completely useless. They don't do nothing. Once again, I still believe that probably the ones that will continue to be up, in my opinion, is Ethereum. Still has a use case, but they're delaying the Ethereum 2.0, the protocol upgrade. They're delaying it to 2021. So that is off the tables. And once again, Ethereum has problems with scalability. What does that mean? It means that their transaction capability is already topped out. They can't do anymore because their block limit is full, and they can't scale anymore. So Bitcoin doesn't have that ability. So in my personal opinion, BTC is not going to make it as well. XRP might be one of the few that may survive. Maybe BCH, BSV for sure, because once again, BSV is the only cryptocurrency, is the only blockchain project out there that scales, that is ready for the billions of transactions, the billions of people which are not here, and unfortunately because of this economic problems that we're having. And once again, man, if you were able to pay food with cryptocurrency, I would be bullish. but people are not people can't pay food with cryptocurrency. And once again, many people still hoard a lot of cash and want to use cash after this is all said and done. So once again, everything is against cryptocurrency, because once again, a lot of people talk about Bitcoin being digital gold. It's bullshit, people. What is the use case of Bitcoin, of BTC? It's nothing. It's slow. It can scale beyond 1 megabyte of transactions. So you can serve 1 million people or 2 million people, that want to transact at the same time. It's not built for that. Well, it was built for that, but unfortunately, the core devs, they fucked up. They took all the capabilities that Bitcoin and that Satoshi um, put into Bitcoin when he created it, and these motherfuckers, they continue to cripple the protocol. So BTC, in my opinion, will not be able to do that because it can't scale. And once again, if it can scale, if it can't do anything but besides of going up, which it's more than obvious to anyone else that it's not because of a block halving that Bitcoin price is being going up, because it's correlated with the stock market. And once again, when it's all said and done, nobody will want to use BTC. Why should you use BTC if Ripple is faster, if Ethereum is faster, if BSV is faster, that has zero confirmations? Why the hell would anyone be wanting to use BTC? Just to hodl? Come on, guys, wake the fuck up, guys. BTC, Bitcoin, or whatever you want to call it, is going down, man, because it's the weakest, and it's not because it's the oldest, but compared to all the other tokens out there, it's the slowest, it's the most expensive. Well, even if the other coins or the other cryptocurrency are completely useless, they are all better than Bitcoin. They are all better than BTC because they're faster, they're cheaper in transactions. What does BTC really have to offer? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing, man. And once again, because of all of these reasons, I don't believe that BTC is coming back from the crypto abyss or the crypto exodus that is coming. But yeah, people still want to continue to use it. Most of the people are blinded because although I believe that cryptocurrency could be a solution, but with all the planning and with all the shit that is actually going on in the real world, and the powers that be, pulling their strings, cryptocurrency, if it is by their will, it will not succeed. And once again, people still have to realize that the big reset is coming. And after this is all said and done and the big reset is being applied, they want people to use their cryptocurrency, which is the Fed coin or the world coin or whatever they want to call it. They already have one in place. It exists. I don't believe it will be implemented back then, because I don't believe that they fix the scalability issue as well. Because if they want to serve the American population or the world population, the only coin that would able to do that would be actually XRP, because it's not a cryptocurrency; it's just a ledger, or BSV. Ethereum doesn't have that capability as well, because, like I said before, Ethereum, the blocks are full; they can't scale. They're delaying the Ethereum 2.0. So, like I said, guys, even them wanting to implement a new world coin, it's going to have problems. And if they didn't figure out that scalability solution, fortunately for us, they will not be able to implement it. And the fiat currencies like the US dollar, the euro, the yen, the renminbi, or whatever, it's game over when this is all said and done. So they will have to come up with another solution, because once again, I really have serious doubts that that the currency that they want to impose on everybody else in the world will work, because because I don't believe that they have figured out the scalability issue as well, like 99% of the other crypto projects out there, like Ethereum and like EOS and like Tron and whatever. so on, so on, so on. They haven't figured it out, guys. The only cryptocurrency that is able to do that right now and has been able to do that since July of last year is BSV. So once again, in my opinion, when this is all said and done, I believe that BSV will be one of the winners in all of this, because I don't believe they will be able to eradicate it. And yeah, guys, when this is all said and done, that's where I want to put my money. But as long as we are in the troubled waters that we are, it's going to take a while. And once again, I'm expecting a big dump. So every coin, every altcoin out there, Bitcoin and whatever, it's going to be affected, even BSV. So this is a no hold zone for me. I don't believe in hodl anyways anymore. So hodl mentality is crap. It's good for people to save, but if you can't spend money, it's not money, right? That's why the US dollar, the euro, and whatever are money, because you are able to pay and buy stuff with it. You can't do these things with cryptocurrency. Once again, you can't buy food with it. You can't buy guns with it. You can't pay taxes with it. Well, in the beginning of the year or last year, there were some states in the United States that were actually accepting cryptocurrency, or especially Bitcoin, to pay for taxes, but nobody did, right? Nobody did. So these countries, these states, they took it away. Here is your utility of Bitcoin: zero, guys, zero. So once again, this is my opinion. This is my view about the economy, the cryptocurrency market, or the cryptocurrency space. And look, it's not going to end well. That's what I think. And we'll see if I will be right or wrong. But I wouldn't be betting against. I wouldn't be betting on the cryptocurrency market. I wouldn't be betting on stocks. I wouldn't be betting on the stock market. You want to be in something, be in dollars or US dollars or euros or whatever, or into tokens that are short leverage tokens. I don't know. That's my opinion. That's what I'm doing. So, So once again, guys, I'm the coin, and I'm out.